Hi everybody, it's Chris Carrozza. Sorry that you have to hear my voice because it's the worst on recorder. For those of you who have modified or IEP students and I don't support your class, either invite me to your class and I'll take care of it. Just let me know what your activity is. Or B, if you click on your class, give me 1 second. I made a fake classroom just so I can demo this kind of stuff. If you go ahead and create an assignment in Classroom, whether it's a quiz or a modified anything, what you do is you assign, please, by the way, do not title it Special Ed, but just for my demo purposes, you're going to click Assign, and instead of Assign to all students, you are going to click, sorry, Miss Graham is going to be my SPED kid for the day. You're going to assign that to Miss Graham. Okay. You're going to click Assign. You're going to do all your stuff here the way that you would normally do it. The due date, the topic, whatever. Click Assign. And then you're going to make your regular ed stuff. Regular, and you're gonna click the all students, but you're gonna unclick Miss Graham. Everybody else is going to get it. Again, same deal here. You can make the special education date a little bit later if you want. I have given that opportunity for my in-class support classes, so they have an extra 24 hours. Or you can make it and do the same day with modifications, no problem. Just check with the special ed teacher. Click Assign. Now, on your stream as a teacher, it's going to show both assignments, but on your student stream, it's going to just say the one assignment that was assigned to them. So I have my regular ed kids here, and my special ed students here, or ELL. It works with ELL too. So that way you can take care of your own modifications if I am not able to get back to you. All right. Thanks for stopping by.